So here's how to log someone out of your Instagram account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, here you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top, then click on the settings and privacy. After that, you have to click on the meta menu or accounts center option at the top. After that, here you have to select the privacy and security. Now from here you have to click on the where are you logged in. Now here you have to select your account first. Once you select your account, now you will be able to view all of the login sessions. Now here you have to recognize any unknown device. You have to simply click on it, or you can simply go to the select device to log out option, and after that here you have to select that device that you want to log out from. Once you select the device, now you have to simply click on the logout option at the bottom. After that, you will be successfully logged out from that unknown device. So if you think that someone has your account password, you can simply log out from their device by this way. So that's how to log someone out of your Instagram account.